Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, January 27th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had lots of trades: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts. 3 of them were really nice. 2 of them were a little bit of money or a break even. 1 of them we took a small loss. 4 people who took it. And the reason why I say that is because this is kind of out of order here. We took this NASDAQ beautiful short first, made up to 100 and something ticks, 80 to my target, and then we flipped over and we were going against a big trend. We were down about 40, 50 points, and it was still relatively early in the morning, but we were looking for this move here. And I said it might not come right here. I said it might be, pretty aggressive. So if you're going to take the trade, we're adding to the trade, and you're not even going to be getting out of break even. I tell everybody if we have to add, we only have to add about 15% of the time before we get to profits. I said if we have to add, you're not even going to try for break even. Any kind of push up, you're going to get your butt out, 2, 3 ticks, whatever it is. Just take a small loss on the trade, and that is what happened. We got in a 52 quarter, we added on this red candle, it bounced around. I said there should be some buying off the 50s, went up to about 52.50 or so, and it was you would not have gotten out at a break even. It would have been, and I told everybody as it was happening, I said, okay, we added, just get your butt out of the trade. So about 30% of the people took the trade. Those who did lost a little bit on the trade, came back down, tried it again. This time it was at a different level. This was a power play, 1103, 47 quarter. Trade made a point or a break even. Anybody with more, multiple contracts, if they took a point, moved their stop up, there wouldn't have been any follow through really on that. So a point or a break even. Then when it came up again, we went ahead and we hit the power play again, 47 quarter. That was on the 1139 candle. 47 quarter. That trade made up to 3 points straight away. Did chop around after that for a while, which I told everybody was probably going to happen. Ultimately, we were looking for him to get up to the 52 quarter, which is where we took over here. And most people were out of that trade after 2, 3 points. When it came back up, we were waiting for this all morning. When it came up here, I told everybody we're going to wait. Stick around if you want the trade. We hit it again, 52 quarter and 12-12 candle, and that trade went up for about 5 points. Here, beautiful trade, and again, this is kind of the one for the ES we were waiting for. In the NASDAQ, we hit which was our first trade of the day. Again, these are not in particular order. We hit a beautiful trade short, 89.90 on the 954 candle. Right up here, we got short at this circle. It was a beautiful friggin' trade, no heat. First target here, I said it could get to 75.70. That was about 80 ticks. It actually went down over 100 plus. And again, really no heat from where we got it all the way up here at our entry. Beautiful friggin' trade from 90 all the way down to 60. 30 points, about 120 ticks up to. And then we tried an understanding trade. I really didn't think they were going down. If you notice, we were buying the whole time. They kind of ran out of gas before we got this up move here. They tried one more time to go down. I said go ahead and get in. We got in at 46 on the 1121 candle. We got about 8 ticks. It actually went 9, 10 ticks, but 8 ticks. This is what we normally take. Move your stop down. I said don't play around. It's the lows. If this thing is going to go, we're looking for a big red candle to come down and kind of follow through. It would have been either 8 ticks or a break even. And as soon as that happened and the market went up, we got long on the ES over here, for the 2, 3 points, and then we hit it again for up to 5. So really there was, a couple small winners or break evens. There was one small loser again for those people who took it, and then we had 3 really pretty nice ones and 1 butte in the NQ. So we're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll see you back tomorrow.